here. My next video is going to be focused on addiction, no labels. When you look up the word addiction, it means that it is a condition where someone is unable to physically stop themselves from engaging in something that can cause physical harm, psychological harm, or emotional harm to them. So with that being said, if you are a person that has discovered their addiction, by the way, we all have addictions of some sort. It doesn't have to be a drug, substance, it could be anything. So once you've discovered that you have an addiction and you have begun seeking out and attempting to stop and assist that part of the brain that creates the stimulation to trick you into thinking that you need to do that, which you should not do. This is the video for you. Lay back, relax, and enjoy.